This stock could be Canada's next Shopify. Make sure to follow with me because right now this is the stock that will most likely explode and get the most attention. So obviously what I do here is I do my research. I do my own research on my own stocks, the stocks that I really like myself. I am just basically sharing my journey with you guys. I'm not a financial advisor or anything, so make sure to follow with me. My name is Cal. As some of you know from my previous videos, I have invested into this current stock that I'll be talking about. This is one of them. This is one of my favorite stocks, and this is the reason why I believe this stock is going to be the next Shopify of Canada. So this has a huge potential of gaining a lot of momentum. It has a huge potential of getting many investors, and it's already happening right now as we talk, guys. This stock has exploded and went up from I believe $10, around $10 since its IPO, all the way up to $50, back down to $42, actually back down to $38, and then back up right now at $42. Durham Corporation, that is a leading provider of cloud-based software and technology solutions designed to improve efficiency and increase productivity for legal and business professionals. Durham Corporation has operations in Canada and the United Kingdom. So not only it's in Canada, but it's also in the United Kingdom. It's going abroad. It has a strong blue chip customer base that includes law firms, financial service institutions, and government institutions. So therefore, guys, this is a company that has a huge potential. This company has been founded in 1874. So since 1874, and its headquarters is in Vancouver. So obviously, as you can probably tell, this in my opinion and based on my second investment, this is my second investment. My first investment was at $14. Now my second investment coming at $42 before the market closed today, and I truly believe that this stock will definitely go back up. The purpose of my first investment was to hold it, and this is what I still plan to do. I'll be holding that investment at $14. I'll be holding. I will not be selling anytime soon. But for my second investment, I do plan on a short-term investment, and that is at $42. That's when I got in. I bought in 200 shares, and I believe that this stock will go at least to its all-time high at $50. So you can imagine there's a 16% potential upside. So if you look into this company, you'll realize that it has been focusing on itself, on its growth, on its acquisition. Its most recent acquisition, Due Process, Canada's largest provider of real estate practice management software. It's a software used by law firms to process transactions. So as you can guys imagine, this is a company that's not only growing on its own, but it's also going after smaller companies and basically changing the rules. So I'll tell you something that D&D has recently done. D&D has raised the price of processing fees from $25 to $125. That is a whopping 400% increase. Can you imagine? So what does that do to D&D, Dye & Durham? Who has to pay these fees? It's normally, if you need to actually buy your home, you would go to your lawyer. The lawyer is going to charge the client. The client has to take care of these fees. Now the client has no choice but to pay these fees because they have to get their sale done. They have to pay these fees in order to process their application or whatever you want to say. So in order to do that, they have to pay these fees, and you could imagine, paying these fees because they have no other choice. From $25 to $125. What does this do to their earnings? You could imagine this will definitely raise D&D's earnings, and this will have a huge potential. The company will continue to grow as they do more acquisitions. I'll put some of the acquisitions that they actually did most recently, and this is one of them that I just talked about. I wanted to share with you guys. But you can imagine how much potential this company has, and this is what I think about this company. So that has been it. If you would like to see more of these videos, if you would like to follow my stock journey, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, This really helps me, and make sure to leave your comments and thoughts about DND. I would really love to actually hear from you. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.